First, drag the image of background. Decrease its size and adjust at proper position. Right-click on it and choose Rasterize Layer. Then choose Polygon Lasso tool and make the selection of empty area. Then on top bar, click Edit, then choose Fill option, and give Content-Aware Fill by clicking OK. Now bring the image of girl. Adjust its size and position accordingly. First, let's make new adjustment layer of hue and saturation above background, and turn the background from blue to red so it matches with girl image. Now, drag the image of circular glow lines, adjust its position, and change its blending mode to screen. Make its layer mask and remove unwanted areas by painting black with soft round brush tool on layer mask. Then keep pressing Ctrl and left click with mouse on girl image layer icon. This will create the selection of girl. Now, again removes the unwanted lines of glow by painting black on its layer mask so it seems realistic. Then make new adjustment layer of hue and saturation above glow lines, and decrease its saturation to 0. Create group by pressing Ctrl+G, make duplicate by pressing Ctrl+J. Then convert it to Smart Object. And give it the Gaussian blur effect, so it will give more glow effect. Make new layer just below the girl image. Choose soft round brush tool and paint a circle. And show transform control by pressing Ctrl+T, keep pressing Shift+Alt, and drag its size. It will look like a realistic shadow. Then decrease its opacity. Now, drag the image of virtual reality glass. Adjust its position properly. Then give it motion blur in the direction of glow line. Now, bring other two images and repeat the process again. Now, drag the image of virtual reality glass. Adjust its size and position. And give it the Gaussian blur effect. Repeat the process with other images as well. Now type text with Text tool. Change its font to Geoslab and give it the white color. Then make duplicates and then just edit the text and place them at proper positions. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Alt plus E to merge all the images together. Choose Camera Raw Filter and adjust the values accordingly. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.